My boy Jamai about to sing to Melanie Fiona. He already swept Beyonce off her feet. Now he's about to sweep Melanie off her feet. Let's get it.
All right. Alrighty.
It's calling my body. It's calling my soul. It's calling my mind. But girl, I gotta go. And baby, it's the grind. Yes, I had a good time. And you look so good. And I really wish I would stay a little bit longer. Love you a little bit stronger, baby. Go a little deeper. Baby with you, baby with you. But since this thing is calling, I gotta answer. Dry your eyes, girl, don't cry. 'Cause you're making it hard for me, and I don't wanna leave you. But I gotta go right now. I'll be back before you know it. I don't wanna leave you. Oh no, but I gotta go right now. I'll be back to hold you down. So hold that thought, and don't you move. See, I'm coming right back for you. Don't you change your position. Hey, and girl, I got a mission. 'Cause baby, trust I'll be missing you. 'Cause I don't wanna leave you. Melanie Fiona.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful. No, my pleasure. Please give him some shine.
You sis.
Your name?
Jamai, Melanie Fiona.
Jamai, we're at Phenomenal Records at Temple University here in Philly. I got serenaded. This is wonderful. I'm always singing to people. I finally hear somebody sing to me, and you're dope. Thank you so much.
All right, my camera, talk.
Jamai, Melanie Fiona just got serenaded by your boy Jamai, and he just did the longest run of the day. It started up here. Went all the way down, up, down, and he just killed it. So Jamai's doing his thing. I'm a fan. You should be too. Check him out. And I'm on the campus, so check me out too.
My girl, Melanie Fiona.
Yo, that was really great. You are great. You're really great. That's great. Thank you so much.